Welcome to the Little Giant scale model site. In this video, I introduce you to the 1 in 24 scale SAR Class 36 diesel electric locomotive project. I'm new to building models in 1 in 24 scale. This is only my second model. My first model was a Class 5E electric locomotive, the story of which will be told in another video. 100 Class 36 was built for shunting purposes between 1975 and 76 to replace aging steam locomotives. Built locally by General Electric, it had a 4-stroke V8 turbocharged and after-cooled diesel engine driving a DC generator and 4-axle hung motors. The type was SG10B and had a maximum speed of 100 km per hour. The model has a length of 630 mm, width 120, height 180. Approximate weight 5 kg. It has 2 Robotica motors driving all 4 axles through a self-designed gearbox with spur gears. I have not as yet run the complete locomotive, although each bogie has been tested. The bogies are unsprung and run in small ball bearings. The bogie was my own design and incorporated the motor between the frames without seeing the bits and pieces of it sticking out. The number plate is a self-designed resin print and represents engine number 36003. The driving wheels were also self-designed and fabricated from plastic discs and surrounded by steel tires. I used a line drawing to exact scale proportions and then proceeded to draw the whole model to scale on a CAD modeling program. The various body panels were 3D printed and then assembled, and the chassis was built from mild steel sheet metal. Whilst being new to modeling in this scale, I decided to build my own track, as I did not know at the time where to source standard G-scale track. For this purpose I used curtain rails and printed sleepers. I rather liked the effect of this and I think it still looks cool. The idea was to build the loco close to scale, although admittedly one can always add more detailed parts to finish the model. Further research will be conducted to improve the accuracy of detailed parts. An example is the cab interior that is designed mostly from memory and needs more precision to get it exactly right. It is, however, replaceable once I have complete information. The model was painted in approximate SAR colors assumed to be Gulf red. The engine appears to be new from the shops as it has no weathering yet. I will still attack it with a suitable spray gun and paint to get the dust and grime effect. As a test, I also printed an HO version of the 36 class body. This came out very well and is gradually being transformed into a working model. I plan to fit the motor between the bogies and introduce a flexible drive shaft to transfer power to each bogie through a worm gear. More about this model will be presented in a future video. Building this model has been an incredible journey of discovery. I'm most impressed by the result. For me, it is an achievement considering that for many years, the building of scale models such as this was beyond the reach of the average model builder. As a youngster, I always wanted to build model trains, and so I got stuck in 1 in 12 scale SAR live steam models. I also built a 1 in 8 scale Class 36 200. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel to see more of my projects.